everyone, my name is Allison, and for this video we're doing a short warm-up. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. Our goal is to gradually raise the heart rate and warm the muscles up. You don't need any equipment, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's begin by marching it out. Think about keeping the core engaged, warming up those transverse abs, and standing up tall. Deep breath, inhale through the nose, reach up. Exhale through the mouth. Do it again, inhale, breathe. Exhale out. 2 more times. Big reach up and let it out. Last one. Inhale up and out. Good, march in place. Driving those knees up to the chest. You're looking good. All right, take it out wide. Hands on the hips, tap the toes. Making sure those heels are on the ground, knees are soft. Add those arms, reach, overhead, lift, lift. Nice. Staying here. Same legs, reach the arm in front. So start with small movements. We'll gradually bring the heart rate up and make it a little bit bigger. Perfect. Stay here for 4. In 3, both arms, chest press. Out and in. And step, touch those feet. Step together. Work with the space that you have. Great job. Reach overhead. Same legs, up and pull. Think about pulling those elbows down towards the back. Warming up the lats. You've got 8, 7, 6. In 4, 3. Back to a chest press. Woo, press out. And tricep presses. Elbows are tight, you're pressing the palms down and up. Now we're gonna keep those same arms, change the legs, hamstrings. Step and curl, step and curl. Think about doing a half or quarter squat in between. Okay, here's a small change. In 4, here's 3, double it for 2. 2 on your left, 2 on the right. Again, lift. Now single outer thighs. You can press the arms to the side too, or keep those hands on the hips. It's up to you. 8 more. There's 8, 7, 6. Here's 4, 3, inner thigh lifts. Now for inner thighs, I'm gonna turn a little so you can see. I'm reaching towards the heel, turning that foot in, keeping the core tight. 8, 7, 6. Here's 4. And give me some knee lifts. Good, reach and pull. Think about keeping those abs tight and drive those knees all the way up to the chest. Woo, 4 more. Here's 4, 3, double it for 2. 2 left, 2 right. Again, doubles. Good job. Twice more, double up. Here's 2. Tap the toe, reach overhead. Single arm reach. Good, last time through, shortening up. And let's go ahead, press the arm in front. Press out. Right to it, chest press. Out and pull, can we make it a little bigger? Step, touch it. Step a little bit larger move than we did the first round. Looking so good. Reach overhead. Woo, lift up. Back in front. And give me those triceps. Elbows tight, press. And hamstring curls. Step, curl. Doubles for 2. Woo, 2 left and right. Again, doubles. Coming up. Outer thigh lifts. Just 8 of them. Remember, option for the arms on the side. 4, 3, inner thigh lifts. Heart rate should be coming up now. Good. 4, 3, last part, give me those knees. Step, knee, pull. Double it for 2. 2 left and right. March it out. March. And take it out wide. Now, planting those feet, squat down and up. Sink back in the heels. Squeeze those glutes on top. Got it. 4 more. Here's 4. In 3, 2 more. Okay, 1 set. Pulse it, double time. Sink back for 8, 7, 6. Here's 4, 3, singles, down and up 2 times. Woo! Hold this one down, hands on the quads. Slow flat back. Abs are tight, round to stand. Shoulder roll back, do it again. Round this up. Good, reach over to one side and hold. Bring it down, other way. Give me that flat back down. Round up all the way up, 1 vertebrae at a time. Shoulder rolls back. Roll forward. Inhale, arms reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, let it out. Last time, inhale, reach all the way up on those toes. And let it all go. You're done with your warm-up. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.